Hey, whoever you are today is because of the past actions that you took up until this point. You may be a successful one or you may be an unsuccessful one. Have you ever analyzed what led to the situation that you are in today? If it is positive that you have become successful one, that's a really good thing. So when you analyze the things, you might have become successful because you took important actions consistently every single day until you reach this point and you are continuing that. On the other hand, if you haven't become successful, chances are that you are not taking right actions. Perhaps you might be working well, you might be working hard, but you are not taking the right actions. If people are taking the actions and people are working hard, why are they not becoming successful? You can take intelligent actions or you can take stupid actions. So, what could be the difference? If you're working on something every single day that is taking you towards your goals and aspirations, that means you are working intelligently. On the other hand, if you're working on something every single day that is taking you away from your goals and aspirations, you are taking stupid actions. So, if those actions and the things that you're doing every single day are not taking you towards your goals and aspirations, why are you not reviewing them and improving and correcting them? So, whoever you are today, whether good or bad, it is because of the past action that you took. In case you took stupid actions, you are not alone. So there are many people took the stupid actions, including me in the past. So what you have to do is you got to start taking intelligent actions every single day. So you might have certain things that you want to achieve in the near future or in the long term. Keep this in mind. You got to take certain intelligent actions that will take you always closer and towards your goals and aspirations. So my question to you is, what actions are you taking today, tomorrow, and going forward every single day consistently till you reach your goal?